Have you ever stumbled upon a hidden gem from the past that made you laugh out loud? That feeling unfurled recently when a 2015 video resurfaced, revealing a hilarious secret about Travis Kelce's ringtone that had everyone buzzing in the world of the Kansas City Chiefs. Few friendships are as iconic as that of quarterback Patrick Mahomes and tight end Travis Kelce. Their camaraderie often shines through, but nothing encapsulates it quite like the moment. Mahomes teased Kelce over his love for an old ringtone. The sound of R2-D2, the wisecracking droid from Star Wars, breathed through the air during a podcast recording, reminding folks of the fun they have, even in serious moments. Imagine being a devoted Chiefs fan, someone who holds Kelce in high esteem. The joy and embarrassment collided when Mahomes, full of mischief, called out Kelce on his retro and ringtone during their New Heights podcast. The rest of the football world joined in, chuckling at the playful ribbing from Mahomes and the NFL itself, which dubbed the ringtone frightening. Travis, with a grin, took the teasing in stride. The old video not only captured Mahomes laughing, but also Kelce's playful banter with his brother Jason after the call, poking fun reputation as the younger sibling. "I dislike having to act more responsibly," he joked. The friendly rivalry kept the team spirit alive, proving that even legends like them have their light-hearted moments. In the midst of training camp excitement for the upcoming season, the duo stayed focused on football. Both were intensely preparing for what's next while managing the spotlight on their personal lives.
C's romantic connection with pop star Taylor Swift added a new layer of intrigue to their year.
As Swift wrapped up her European tour, plans hinted at a more permanent Kansas City stay during the NFL season. The beloved singer had even taken to decorating Kelce's blue on home, marking a sweet chapter in their relationship since he presented her with a friendship bracelet featuring his number. Now, as they get ready to take the field, the laughter and playfulness among friends only enhance the anticipation for what's coming. And just like the good-natured jabs about a ringtone, it's moments like these that remind us of the magic of camaraderie and friendship in the world of sports. Why did R2-D2 become a ringtone? Because he knew it would always dial up a good laugh. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,